Hey guys, welcome back to Tamatorimas, the place where you can get the latest updates of what's happening to the auto world. Here, we're going to be talking about the newest updates and even the latest rumors of what's going on with the most popular names in this industry. For today's topic, we are going to talk about 2025 Dodge Stealth, one of the popular names that make it such a booming news these days. Just so you know, Stealth may not be a familiar name, but if you are already familiar Durango, you should know that Stealth is going to replace it. Yep, Dodge is seriously considering their new plan with the Stealth after their Durango is no longer showing promising performance. Dodge has been facing serious challenges these last few years, considering that they need to amp up the game with electrification. Dodge has been known as this automaker producing muscle rides at their great performance. But with the world trying to turn to eco-safer productions, it's not exactly easy for the company to follow suit. Many have suspected that electric powertrains won't be able to match up the performance of internal combustion units, so Dodge is pretty reluctant to make the switch too. But with every automaker in the world working on their own electrification models, Dodge doesn't really have any option to think about their future production. And now they seem to have their own planning for their new model, which unfortunately will have to sacrifice some of their older models. Rumor has it that Dodge won't be making the Durango anymore. Instead, they are going to produce a new Stealth that would be completely different from the Durango in terms of powertrains, looks, and platform. Some sources that the new Stealth will replace the Durango, but it would be different in size because this new Durango replacement will definitely be bigger. The size will be a match to the Wagoneer. If this rumor is true, it means that there won't be Durango anymore, but a Stealth instead, designed as a 3-row SUV. The rumor has been circling around, starting off with the possibility of Dodge reviving some of their old nameplate as a new model for 2025. In case you don't know it, Stealth was a name from the 1990s sporty coupe model that is built by Mitsubishi, but with a badge from Dodge. Yes, it means that Dodge is thinking about reviving the name again, hoping that they will get the same strength as the old ride. Hopefully, the future model would be even better and punchier. A lot of auto enthusiasts have somewhat suspected the fate of the Durango after Jeep seemed to do some significant improvements to their Grand Cherokee. The new Cherokee is now using a new platform called the WL platform. Does it mean that Durango is getting the same treatment? It turns out not, because Durango is somewhat stuck with the older WK2 platform. So bye-bye Durango and hello Stealth. As you can probably guess, the new Stealth will be coming with this modern and all-new look to accommodate the new electric power. In fact, if we look back at 2021's Stellantis EV Day, there was a slide showing off STLE large platform, which has been set aside for American muscle and AWD performance models. It's a part of the automaker's option to make the Stealth constructed on STLE large platform, or so it seems. Using this platform seems like a logical move because it accommodates modular powertrains with battery and electric and also hybrid combo. Dodge is serious about keeping their SUV lines because they know that today's buyers are into SUVs and crossovers so much. They aren't going to sacrifice their SUV lines just because they aren't making Durango anymore. Sure, Dodge may have added the new sport compact SUV, the Hornet, into their lineups, but they are still missing the big models for more passengers and cargo. Some rumors even say that it's highly likely that Dodge will keep their Durango, but with bigger size and with body-on-frame layout. So it's not a unibody anymore. If this is the case, then it's possible that the Stealth would be located in between, right after the compact Hornet and before the bigger and newer version of Durango. But we still don't know more about it, so let's cross our fingers. What about power? It seems that Stealth will follow the footstep of Grand Cherokee L. It means that it would be constructed on WL platform. But then again, there is always a possibility that it would be designed on STLE large platform, which is perfect for hybrids as well as electric option. Whatever option Dodge makes, this new Stealth must come with electrification power somehow. So it's only logical if there are some possible powertrains being developed. The first one would include an i6 twin-turbo unit, the Hurricane, with its 3.0-liter capacity. Considering that there won't be Hemi V8, Dodge needs to make up for the lost power. A lot of automakers have been dropping the V8 because it's considered not very eco-friendly. But if Dodge is able to deliver promising performance with their tweaks and designs, wouldn't it be exciting if there is an original R/T Stealth with 6-cylinder twin-turbo 3.0-litre unit? Not to mention that it's likely paired up with all-wheel driving system. But then again, we still don't know much about it because Dodge hasn't said a word about their new plan regarding the Stealth. But we can count on them, especially for impeccable handling and smooth drive. Okay, we've talked about the rumors about the Stealth, but what are the confirmed things about this new ride? What can we learn about the new Stealth up to this point? As it was mentioned before, it would be coming as a 3-row model, which means that it would be big and long, definitely longer than the now Durango. Some sources stated that the SUV would be coming as a stylish, modern, and sleek model that has all the right combo of techs, flexibility, and also power. When compared to the current Durango, the Stealth would be far way better and more sophisticated. What about design? Considering that the Stealth is said to be wide different from the Durango, we can expect bolder design and sharp styling. Rumor has it that it would be inspired from the sporty model ancestor, which means that we can expect a nice and balanced combo of modern and classic look. The profile is said to be muscular, with sharp lines and somewhat aggressive front fascia. There would be a dramatic combo of LED taillights and headlights, completing the fierce look on the outside. It's safe to say that the new Stealth will make a strong statement and outstanding appearance on the road. If you think about it, there is no way that look and appearance will stop on the exterior area. Dodge needs to figure out the interior too. Since Stealth is designed as a big SUV, it would be enough to carry 7 people comfortably. The inside would be luxurious, cozy, and somewhat plush. With sophisticated layout combined with high-quality materials, you can expect an upscale vibe. And with so much space, you should have more than enough storage options. Plus, their smartphone connectivity and improved infotainment system will keep you comfortable during the drive. Up until now, there is very little information about the kinds of tech and features offered by the new Stealth. Of course, you can expect the advanced driving assistance models, like forward collision warning, auto emergency brake, lane departure warning, blind spot monitoring, and others. Sources have stated that Dodge has been developing even more safety features so you can drive conveniently without having to worry about anything else. Connectivity seems to be one of Dodge's priority developments. One thing for sure, their infotainment system won't disappoint. Expect to find premium sound system, wireless charging, and also Android Auto/Apple CarPlay compatibility as the standard features. We should know more about the high-tech features once the automaker provides the update. Pricing is predicted to start from around $40,000. Availability is predicted to take place by the end of 2024, or at least closer to the end. That's about it for the upcoming 2025 Dodge Stealth. We know that there are still many missing parts about the new Stealth, but let's not forget that it's still in progress. We should know more when Dodge is ready to reveal more updates. Stay tuned with Tamatorumors so you won't miss out other updates, especially about the Stealth.